Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we're going to be making my favorite boneless buffalo wings. Boneless buffalo wings. Boneless buffalo wings. Alright, so let's get started. And now the most important step that we're going to do before anything is that we have to brine the chicken. And brining is basically soaking your meat in a solution that has a certain amount of salt to water ratio, and some people can add sugar as well. You can skip the sugar if you want, and it's not a very complicated thing to do, but this is the key to getting that beautiful, delicious, moist chicken. You don't want it to be dried out, you don't want it to be tough to eat, but also you don't want it to be too salty. So careful about how long you keep the chicken in your brine. It's enough if you just leave it from 15 to 30 minutes, that will do. But if you're leaving it in the fridge, no more than 6 hours, or I would say no more than 3 hours in the fridge. And now that we've got our chicken in the brine, let's go over the ingredients that we are going to be putting into the coating for the chicken. We're going to use 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch or corn flour. I don't know. I always get those confused. I think they're the same thing though. Anyway, then we've got 1 teaspoon of salt, or I think that's half a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper. It's also up to you if you want to make it less than that. Half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of onion powder, because those two are the bomb and I cannot have any recipe without those two. Half a teaspoon of paprika and half a teaspoon of red chili pepper powder, and 1/3 of a teaspoon of cumin powder. You can put more if you like, but the cumin powder that I have, I think that's toasted cumin powder, so it has a very strong taste, and I did not want to put too much and have it overpower everything. And as you can see, all we're doing at this point is mix all our dry ingredients and mix them really well. If you have a tiny whisk, that would do a much better job. Once you're confident that you've mixed all these ingredients well together, take out your chicken, and we're going to start by putting the chicken first into the flour mixture, and then setting it aside. Then we are going to put the chicken into the eggs, get them nice and juicy again, so that the flour can cling onto them. And then now we have 2 coats of flour, which will make it even crunchier. It will make it even tastier. You need to make sure that the oil in your pan is nice and hot so that it fries up properly and it gets this beautiful golden crisp. As soon as it starts to become this golden color, take them out and leave them aside on some parchment paper or tissue paper so that they can dry out. After you put them aside, they will continue to cook just a little bit more from the residual heat that they have. So wait for them to cool down just a little, and then we're going to toss them into the hot sauce, the buffalo sauce. I have my own homemade hot sauce that I had lying in the fridge, so I decided to use that. I will give you a recipe. I will be making a video on it, I promise. But to be honest, it's not that different from all the other videos there on YouTube. I'll make a video of it anyway. Or you could just choose to buy the bottled buffalo wing sauce and toss them in that. If you made it this far, it means you liked the video, didn't you? So give us a like and subscribe for more. Have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!